welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hello. My name is Marcella. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I have a little tip, a little trick for all you ladies out there. And it's basically press on nails. So I swear by these. I am a person that I do not like to wait at the nail salon. I'm gonna be honest. I love to have my nails done, but just waiting and just being there for so many hours for me is just crazy, and I get super impatient. For the most part, I wear these. I love them. They're so easy. They're so quick to put on. And with time, I've learned some tips and tricks so they can actually last, because I know a lot of the times our fear is that, we're gonna lose a nail, it's gonna go flying in the middle of a meeting or like in the middle of dinner. So today's video is going to be very informative for you ladies. Yeah, I've learned some tips that I will be sharing with you ladies. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get started. So the nails that I will be using in this video are from Kiss. They are part of their Jelly Fantasy line. They are long, so they're large. So this is basically what comes with the packet. It comes with a total of 26 nails and then a small filer with a wooden stick. So what I do first and what I suggest in order for this whole process to be fast and easy is to start by measuring the nail along with your real nail, and then just kind of setting them aside. As you can see, I will go ahead and set them aside in order from the pinky to the big nail. I don't know why I laughed. I kind of thought about like big toe, but I was like, no, these are not toes. Anyways, so we are gonna go ahead and put them aside. I feel like this is way easier, so I can just like leave this side, this part aside. Next, and this is a huge tip, is you want to use the wooden stick and pull on your cuticle down, especially if you have a lot of cuticle. I would suggest after you pull it down to go ahead and cut it. This is a huge step in order for your nails to last long. Next is another huge step, and that is the filing. So I know we want to do it super fast, but you can do it fast, but I do suggest filing like every corner inside of the nail. This gets rid of any natural oils that you might have and will make the nails last longer. So it does come with that tube glue, but I just bought this. It's from the same brand. It's $3 at your local drugstore. And the trick here is to put glue, as you guys can see, on the nail and on your actual nail. I feel like the more glue you put, the better. However, when you do press on the nail, if you put like way too much, then the glue will seep through in the bottom, and you don't want that. I do have like a little napkin on the side. In the case that the glue does seep through on the side, I wipe down. You don't want to wipe up, because then the glue will get on your nail. So just remember that. So I would say that the three main tips is: 1, you want to pull down on your cuticle and cut them if possible. 2, you want to file them very, very, very good. And then 3, you want to put glue on the actual nail and on your nail. I feel like this tip really makes them last 2 to 3 weeks. And as you guys can see, this is the final product. I love them. Here I am thinking I'm like a nail model, pero como que no. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. These Kiss nails are super affordable. They're anywhere from like $7 to $9. You can find them at your local drugstore. And yeah, they last pretty long. The shorter the nail, the longer it does last. So I would suggest, if you do get a small, just know that they will last if you follow these tricks for a very long time. The long ones, because you're pulling, or you're like doing things with them, and the long, sometimes they can break on like a 2-week mark. But yeah, other than that, I love them. I swear by these. They're super quick to put on. Spirit fingers. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, quick tutorial on these press-on nails. I hope this was informative, and I hope you guys give this a try. And like I said, if you are more of a person that actually likes to get your nails done, which is absolutely fine. I would suggest just keeping them for an emergency, you know, if you have like an event, if you have somewhere to be, and of course you want your nails to look fresh, and for whatever reason you cannot go to the nail salon, then you can opt for these. So and they're very affordable as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I think that's it. Okay, I'll see you ladies in my next video.